கொடஞன் குடியிருந்த வீடும் கொடுத்த விழுத்தெய்வம் தேடியும் மள்ளி கொடுத்த அழகன் அறிவூட்டும் வெள்ளி விளக்கே விளக்கு
India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parent, teacher and all elder respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosper and Allah lies my happiness.
Good morning to everybody. Today I say about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's thought. The process of the education to make the good human beings with skills and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teacher. Once again the thought. The process of the education to make the good human beings with skills and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teacher. Thank you.
திருக்குறள் எண்ணென்ப ஏனை எழுத்தென்ப இவ்விரண்டும் தன்னென்ப வாழும் உயிர்க்கு. பொருள் எண்ணும் எழுத்தும் ஆகிய இவ்விரண்டும் மனிதர்களுக்கு இரு கண்கள் போல் என கூறுவர். மீண்டும் குறள் எண்ணென்ப ஏனை எழுத்தென்ப இவ்விரண்டும் தன்னென்ப வாழும் உயிர்க்கு. நன்றி.
Dear friends, good morning to you all. Today let me tell you the importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Wash your hands regularly with soap water. Keep a safe distance. Avoid shaking hands and hugging. In this pandemic situation, we need a precaution and we are responsible for our health and family. If the government had announced the lockdown, we have to follow the rules strictly. If we do, so our family will be protected and we can be saved. Precaution is better than cure. Concluding that, be clean, stay safe. Thank you.
Good morning, students. Hope everybody is happy. My dear children, the teachers, they take great efforts to teach you in this pandemic situation. It is your job now to repay them by attending the class regularly and to get your doubts cleared. If you understand the concept, the teachers will be very happy because they take a lot of effort to make you understand the concepts. Right. Let us learn something from these Olympic events. Neeraj Chopra, he has won gold medal. Okay, after winning yesterday, he commented during the felicitation ceremony that we have to take 100% effort and then we should not fear anyone. That is the remark that he made. Right? Even he commented that he had some shoulder pain, okay, elbow pain, that he could feel that pain the next day. No pain, no gain. Right? Every gaining, there must be some pain. Okay, we have to undergo pain. Waking up early in the morning is painful. Attending classes, online classes is painful. Okay, maybe. Okay, understanding the concepts may be painful. But undergo it. Experience it. Experience pain. Okay, discipline yourself. Discipline yourself. This discipline will make you successful. The secret of success is being disciplined. Okay, you should be disciplined. At this age only you have to learn discipline. This discipline will make you great, my dear children. Okay, so be disciplined. If a parents correct you, come on, say, okay, obey, obedience, very important, obey them. Whatever they say, listen to them. Be disciplined. Okay, work hard. Okay, see, everybody throws. Okay, how many members threw the javelin? But only one gold medal. Okay, this is a competitive world. In order to emerge as a winner, if you want to become a winner, okay, you should be disciplined. Work hard, then you will become victorious. So my dear children, be disciplined, stay healthy. Thank you. Have a great day.